So I still got the good old Subi sitting here, and I'm gonna blow it up and scrap it this week because it looks like shit in my yard, as you can see. Trailer trash piece of shit. And there's the Escort. Had to put a John Deere plate on it, you know. That makes it right there. And I took the hubcaps off so it doesn't look like a granny anymore. Best part's definitely my new shifter. Oh yeah. That's a cue ball, pool ball. And I extended it. It sits real high. It's just hard to get in the first though. Oh wow. And I cut the muffler off, so I'll start it up. It's a lot quieter than the Subaru was with no muffler. And instead of making a coffee can come out of the back now, I'm just gonna make the exhaust come out like right here, probably, hopefully, and put a big huge tip on it or something real stupid, or a coffee can right there and just have it drag on the ground, you know. Oh, damn, look at that thing. Burn rice! I don't know what else to tell ya. I'll probably paint those things red, as in the rims, instead of lime green, just because it'll look cool, I guess. And then I gotta figure out something to do with the front of it. Not like a body kit, that'd be really extremely gay. Just something cool.